Hey, this is Nehil from GB Media, and we have done a mini audit on your brand whose name is Krusties, which come under the food and grocery category. So when I was deep diving into a brand, I got to know that the net sales had increased in month of January, and in every month the net sale is in the same range. And when I talk about the overall demand, the demand has increased in month of January and it has spiked in month of July. These are the top of the popular keyword which is relevant to your category and brand and having very high search volume. And these all keyword are more or less kind of non-brand keywords. So when I was deep diving into the keyword, I got to know that you are not going very aggressive in these performing keyword. So if I show you this keyword, which is pancake mix, you can see when I type pancake mix, I am not seeing you are coming over here, which is the sponsor brand placement. So you can see right now this cup for cup is taking over the placement. If I talk about sponsor product placement, here as well, I'm not seeing your brand coming over here. So right now you can see this Simple Meals, Pearl Milling, and this particular brand is taking over the placement. If I talk about the video ads, here as well, I can see that this King Arthur has taken over the placement. So securing the top of the search placement is very crucial for any brand as per Amazon data, 70 to 80% of the sale is happening on top of the search page only. So this is not the one keyword I have came across. If I talk about this particular keyword, which is your gluten-free pancake mix, here as well, I'm not seeing you are going very aggressive, because here as well, you can see that on sponsor brand placement, this particular brand has taken over the placement. Talking about the sponsor product placement as well, you can see that the cup for cup, Simple Meals and other brand has taken over the placement. Talking about the videos as well, you can see this on this keyword as well, King Arthur has taken over the placement. So it's very crucial. You should go aggressive in these keywords as these keywords are relevant for you. And you can see more conversion from here as well. Now you can see that in sponsor brand store campaign also, we are not going very aggressive because right now you can see this particular brand has taken over the placement. If I talk about your own brand keyword, which is Krusties, here also you can see that on sponsor brand side, you are not going very aggressive, as you can see that this Take Bake Shop has taken over the placement. Talking about the sponsor product side, you can see that this Miss Jones Baking and this particular Fisher has taken over the placement. Talking about the videos as well, now you can see that this particular Quest has taken over the placement. So it's very important you should go very aggressive on your brand keyword, because that's way you can safeguard your own keyword from the competitor. So this is the product opportunity tool. Here you can see that these all are the relevant search term according to your category and brand. And here also you can see that on the top 3 product link, your brand is not coming at all. So you can see that on these keywords, you can see most of the time this Betty Crocker, this Mrs. Butterworth, and some other brand has taken over the placement in the top 3 product clicks. So you need to be very aggressive on these keywords so that your chance of getting the higher clicks is going to be increased. Also, I was deep diving into a product, and here also I realized that you are not going very aggressive in defense campaign, because as you can see that on this particular PDP, you can see that the sponsored display has been taken by someone else. So on right now, this on the Run Bumblebee has taken over the placement. Talking about other placement as well, like here you can see some other brand has taken the placement followed by this particular ad as well. So it's very important you should do defense campaign very aggressively, because that's where you can safeguard your ASIN from the competitor. Here also you can see that we are not doing very aggressive sponsor brand defense campaign, because right now I can see all the other competitor are bidding on your PDP. So this is not about this ASIN I'm talking about. If I talk about different ASIN of yours, so you can see that on this ASIN as well, the sponsor display defense campaign is not going very aggressively. Here also you can see that in sponsored defense campaign, you can see this Duru has taken over the placement followed by this placement as well. Similarly for this also, some other brand has taken over the defense campaign placement. So this is the mini audit we have performed for you. If you're interested for an overall audit, do connect with us, as we have shared the link with you. You can fill the form as it is completely free.